back to my channel. This is your girl Sean. I'm back for another video. In this video today I'm going to be doing another designer handbag unboxing. It's been a while since I've done one of these kinds of videos. Now this video is actually really late because I actually got this bag for myself for Christmas and I actually haven't gotten around to unboxing it because I wanted to film a video first and I haven't had time to film a video because I was on vacation. Long story short, or long story long, I have a designer handbag unboxing and I'm excited. I think this bag is a really good price point, whether you're buying this bag, you know, retail, or if you're buying it pre-loved like I did. So I purchased from Rebag, The Real, and Fashionphile, and Fashionphile is by far my favorite pre-loved website. I actually got this little Tiffany bracelet from them and this Tiffany bracelet from them as well, and I love these two. They're super cute. As you guys see, I wear them all the time. And yeah, I got a couple handbags. I had a handbag from them too, if I'm not mistaken. But anyway, matter of fact, this little nugget right here, I also got from Fashionphile, but I have another handbag. I just love how they go out of their way to make sure that when you're unboxing one of their things, it looks really nice. You know what I'm saying? This is pre-loved, but you still get the feeling of like, ooh, you know what I'm saying? Big old beautiful thank you card right there. It got their little logo on the back. And then it also has this little envelope that has my receipt in it. It always has the Fashionphile nail file as well. So here is the bag right here. I'm so excited. Now I wanted a good everyday bag. I don't like bags that just sit on the shelf. I like to use my bags. So I try to get bags that I would actually wear on an everyday basis. So that's why I got this one right here. And I have a lot of bags that have like, you know, black and gold and all of that, but I wanted one that had silver hardware because I've really been rocking these Tiffany bracelets. So I wanted another one that had some silver to it. She is cute. Here she is. This is the Alexander Wang. I think this is the Rocco pebbled leather Rocco mini. It's kind of like this one right here, but it's a little bit different because I like these little areas right here. It has the silver studs on the bottom. It has this really nice leather. This was noted to be in very good condition. Girl, this looks new. Like, there isn't a scratch on her. She is quite fabulous. Oh, she's too tiny to put on the crook of my, no, I can put her on the crook of my arm. And y'all know that's all I want to do is do with a bag on the crook of my arm. Oh, she's so cute. So it has like this little, same little closure as the other one. It has the strap right here. See, Fashionphile, they put the bubble wrap in it and everything because they want you to get the experience. Oh, I didn't know it came with a bag. It also comes with the Alexander Wang dust bag. I don't remember reading that it also came with the dust bag, but I'm not mad. Oh my goodness, she is stunning. See, I want to wear this bag on an everyday basis. This is a really cute bag to wear. You know, running errands, you know, going to brunch and stuff like that. Oh, love her. So this is my second Alexander Wang bag, my second little mini Rocky. The other one seemed too big to me, so I like the size of this one. Super cute. And I think this is long enough. Yeah, it's long enough for me to wear crossbody. Oh, I love this little bag. She's stunning. She's way prettier in person than she was even on the website. Welcome. So I'll be sure to link all of my previous designer handbag unboxings below so you guys can go ahead and check them out if you want to see the other bags that I have in my collection. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Till next time, later divas and dudes. Deuces, honey.